everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. I'm Angie Styles. Sorry guys, I've been off lately because I've been very sick. I lost my voice and I'm just recovering. Pardon my voice because I'm still just recovering. Like I said, I still have the cold in my chest, but I believe I will be fine. So I just want to I run out of my scrub and I want to make a body scrub because I want to use scrub on my skin. So I decided to share how I make my lotion scrub with you guys, So today we're going to be making lotion scrub. So let me show you how I make my lotion scrub, because I love, after having my bath, I love to use my scrub on my skin and feel that moisturization on my skin, make my skin hydrate and keep it soft because of the weather we are in. So this is how I fight the weather on my skin and keep my skin glowing. So here I have a 4 ounce of lotion base. I am using my pure skin lightening lotion base. In this lotion base, I have all the skin lightening ingredients in it, like kojic acid, alpha biotin, sepia white powder, giga white solution, and name it, mulberry, bearberry. All the skin lightening are in this lotion. So I brought it out of my freezer and it was blocked, very thick, so I had to heat it up in my microwave for 30 seconds. That's why it's now in liquid form. So, and after using my hand mixer to mix it, that's why you see some foam on it. So here I have about 8 ounces of my lotion base. Here I have 1.5 cup of cane white sugar. I'm using cane white sugar today. And here I have 1 tablespoon of my matcha tea. I love it so much because it is very, very powerful and it's rich in antioxidants. So, and here I have 1/2 cup of my skin whitening powder. This I made it, I mix it myself. If you want to see how I mix it, search for it. I have the video on my YouTube channel here, or you can go to my website and search for how to mix skin lightening powders. It's all herbals. So you can watch the video and then you make yours. Here I have my HA solution. That's hyaluronic acid serum. So I made this thicker and I added some things in it. That's why the color is like this. But the normal one used to look clear. But because of what I added to it, that's why the color is like this, and it's thicker because I made this thicker and rich because I'm going to use it on my scrub. And here I have my saffron oil. This is saffron oil that I infused in almond and sesame oil. So here is my saffron oil. So here are all the things I'm going to be using to make this scrub, and you need a container like this. So here is my container where I'll be transferring it after mixing them. Okay guys, so let's get started. So I love using scale. You need a digital scale like this so that you can get accurate measurements whenever you are making. So we're going to start by mixing all these powders into the sugar first. So I'm going to start by adding my skin lightening powder to the sugar. Next, add my matcha green tea powder also. So just get something and then mix it properly. I'm gonna mix it until it is well blended. So you can see I'm done mixing the sugars with the green tea and the skin brightening powder. So next I'm gonna start by adding it into the lotion. Look at my lotion base. Like I said, I heat it and it dissolves and become this texture. Just heat for 30 seconds so that it will be easy for you to work with. So you're going to gradually add the sugar to it. As you add, you mix. Next, I'm going to add my hyaluronic acid, my HA to it. Stir it in. I love HA. It works so much on my skin. The smoothness effect is what I love most. So adding it to everything I use on my skin. Not really everything, but some things that need it. So next I'm going to add the saffron oil, because I want it to be more moisturizing, like I said. Then we give it a good stir properly until everything is well combined together and mixed properly. But I'm using what works for me. All skin are not the same. What works for me might not work for you. So I've been using this and it has been doing great on my skin. That's why I love it. So that is it. You can see. So I'm gonna pour it, transfer it into my container. Make sure you sterilize your container very well. I always use rubbing alcohol, so I spray some alcohol into it. So I'm gonna just see the alcohol there. So I'm gonna just go ahead and use paper towel and wipe it. Also spray the cover. I'm gonna just pour it in there. You see that? Then wipe off the excess. Here, this is how I make my skin lightening lotion scrub that I use on my skin alone. Okay, so you can try and make yours. Make it with what you have available at home. What you don't have, you can skip it. Just make sure you get your lotion base and then use your sugar and make your scrub. So to use this in your shower, after having your shower, you know, like bathing, scrubbing with your sponge and all that, washing off the soap on your body, then you take this and start applying it all over your skin. Apply it to your skin and start scrubbing. Scrub for like 5 minutes or longer if you can. So scrub all over your body, scrub all over your skin. Get your husband or your partner to help you scrub your back. So scrub all over your skin. After scrubbing it for a few minutes, then you can now rinse it off. You can see how your skin is going to feel. Your skin will feel more moisturized and you see your skin glowing and very soft. It makes your skin soft. Okay, so this is what will keep your skin supple, soft and glowing, especially in this weather, winter. So try yours at home and let me know how it turns out to be. Okay, so that will be it for today's tutorial. So tired, I need to go and rest. I have my bed. So guys, I will see you all in my next video. Love you all. Bye bye.